Let's say Rocky like this guy.
He like.
Because he no wants that.
They come well.
You don't give him
Hey
banana
Rocky. Rocky, look at me now.
See, if Rocky catch that you want.
Rocky.
See this one.
Hey.
How are you?
He knows what he's doing.
Hey Rocky, touch me now.
See
Rocky.
attitude.
Yeah. Take, I'll give you banana. Give me that banana. Rocky, take. Hey, sis, you don't want to near me, Abi. No, you have to collect banana. No, you want to collect banana. Come, banana. Banana.
He no vessel.
Verse. I will not give you. It's something to give. I will not give you. I will not give you. Shake me, sis. Not shake me. You think I not bring banana to this place? You think I not bring banana to this place? Hey, yeah, take. Take. Share with my friend. That's how it's calmly to collect it.
Hey! This small one, they go say and collect. I'm not sure.
This one won't collect. When I give her.
They no agree me collect them. Those big ones, they are very crazy, yeah.
Okay, they have different cases. It's very small.
Oh, it's small.
This center one.
I think they usually collect it for them. Those people that stay for them. No. Thank you. Wow.
That place is small.
Yeah. It's not fair. Take the other one.
Almost finished.
Let's give them one more. Those ones.
Those small.
Yes. This one still won't collect. If I want you, are you joking? See this one way there up. You know, see anything.
You know, collect.
What if it's ballon? It don't vessel. I got to be.
You don't collect a banana just now.
If I eat it.
Wait. You wait.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Now, enter is scared and collect it.
I don't chop this one.
Te ba for work kan we. Oh,
Not give me banana.
Rocky.
He knows he likes you.
Let's say you're full and go.